students, I hope your preparation is going good. If not, don't worry. Sri Gurukula is here to help you. And I am Anmol Yadav. I will be your physics and mathematics mentor. I am an NEET graduate. So bring out your books. Let's make your preparation stress-free. So today's question is the nth term an of arithmetic progression whose first term is a and common difference is d is. So these are our options. So how we'll solve this problem? We'll try to understand the pattern in the arithmetic progression. So arithmetic progression is the sequence of all those terms who maintains a common difference d. For example, if first term is a, first term is given as a, so second term will maintain a common difference which is d. So difference of these two term will be d, and next term will maintain the same difference. So it will be a plus 2d and it will be so on, right? So this is our first term a1, this is our second term a2, this is our third term a3 and so on. So let's try to understand the pattern. So if it's 2, it's 2 minus 1 times d. If it's 3, it's 3 minus 1, 2 times d, correct? So if it's 4, a4, it will be a plus 3d, correct? So let's make a general term an, correct? An will be a plus n minus 1 times d. See here 2, 2 minus 1, here 3, 3 minus 1, 4, 4 minus 1. So n minus 1 times d. So this will be our general term of arithmetic progression. I will be back soon. Till then, keep practicing. This is Anmol Yadav from Sri Gurukula signing off.